Hi, my name is Shrishti and I'm part of Team 16290 Z.I.P, and I'm going to be sharing some ways that you can fundraise as a rookie team.
Before you start fundraising, it is important to create a team budget. Here are some important factors to consider while planning. Once you have your budget, you can go into fundraising. The first way is to apply for grants. You can find many FIRST grants on firstinspires.org/robotics/team-grants, where you can filter out grants to be specific to your team. Make sure to periodically check this website, as grants are constantly changing. The second way is to approach local companies, usually through emails or a contact. You can also host in-person or online fundraising events, as well as reaching out to friends and family.
We hope that these fundraising tips help you throughout the season. Fundraising can be challenging, so don't feel discouraged if you don't get on the first try. Feel free to ask us any questions at teamzipties@gmail.com. We wish you the best of luck this season.